Ooh. Drinky. Twinkie. Cupcake. Jello. Well, hello, Finn. Hello there, Jasmine. Wait a minute. Did you guys eat every single thing in the fridge? I'm sorry, Mommy. We were hungry. Really hungry. Yeah, really hungry. Well, you guys are going to get a big stomach ache now. You ate everything in the fridge, and you're just little babies. Uh-oh. Yeah, uh-oh. I don't feel good. Well, I warned you. Oh, yeah, I warned you guys. Mommy? Yeah, let me clean that up. Why is my barf pink? Because probably half the things that you ate in there were like cupcakes and stuff. Here, let me clean that up. Yeah, half the things you ate in there were like cupcakes and sugary things. And Finn, you really need to stop doing this. You're going in timeout again because this is the second time this week you have stolen candies and sweets and ate all of them. That's not good for you. So both of you are going in timeout right now. Come on. You two, come on. Okay, get in timeout. Get in timeout. You too, little man. All right, everybody. So these two babies ate everything in the fridge, and luckily I went to the store, so we're going to go fill it back up right now. But these two are going to be in timeout. Actually, they didn't eat any of these food packets, probably because they don't know how to use them. And we're going to fill up this fridge right now. So in our sweets drawer, actually I think this goes up here. But anyway, in our sweets drawer, we have cookies, pies, and cupcakes. And then we have our little Num Num smoothie right here. In our other sweet drawer, we have a bunch of Num Nums. Then we have some Jello. This came with that set that I got yesterday that I didn't show on camera. We got a new pitcher of lemonade. Here's another Num Num that I forgot to put in this drawer right here. This drawer back in, and some lemonade. We'll put it in the door here. All right, everybody, we forgot to put the ice tray in. All right, everybody, this is the end of this video. If you like this video, why not like and subscribe? Okay, bye.